Hi friends, Assalamu alaikum. How is everyone doing today? Today we are gonna make some cauliflower and mushroom bites in the air fryer. So let's go see all the ingredients what we needed to make this. It's not deep fried, it's just the air fryer. So it's not gonna take any oil. Just a little bit of olive oil, that's it, okay? Let's go see all the ingredients. We have some mushrooms and some cauliflower and some basil and some olive oil and some breadcrumbs and one egg and some crushed garlic. Okay, let's go mix all this stuff first to make mushrooms and cauliflower bites. Okay, we will add a little bit of basil, maybe about 1 spoon of basils in the breadcrumbs, and a little bit of garlic, about like a spoonful of it. It depends how much you like it. And generously pour olive oil. Olive oil is healthy. Olive oil is healthy oil. It's actually good for your health and heart. So just like that, mix it. We'll keep this right here. Then we're gonna beat one of the eggs. Beat nicely. Okay, we'll take one cauliflower and dip it in the egg like this. Nicely put the egg on it, so egg can coat all everywhere. So okay, like that, and then dip it in the mixture of breadcrumbs. Okay, like that. And take mushroom. The same way we are going to do the mushroom too. Okay, we're going to start making all this and then going to put it in the air fryer. Okay, I coated all the mushrooms and also all the cauliflower. So now we are gonna put in the air fryer to air fry them. Okay, and you put a little bit of oil on this tray. And we'll put the rest of the stuff in here, like the mushrooms. Bismillah. That looks like a laddu. Mote laddu. Instead of mushroom, they look like a laddu. They're big mushrooms. Okay, we're gonna do one batch right now. Maybe we can do another batch later. So let's see. My air fryer is preheated. So I'm going to show you my air fryer. This is my air fryer and it's preheated. So I'm going to put it in there. And we can close this. Okay, 300 for 5 minutes. That's all it takes it. Okay. While it's doing that, we're going to make some very nice dipping sauce with that. Okay. I have some mayonnaise over here, 2 spoons, and we are going to put some sour cream. about 2 spoons. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze sour cream. 1 spoon and 2 spoons, and some garlic, crushed garlic, and some basil. Okay. If you want, you can add hot sauce, but I am not adding it in there. If you like to eat hot, spicy, you can add some, but I'm not doing it. That's it. This is a nice sauce to dip this mushrooms and cauliflower. Okay friends, let's wait for 4 more minutes. Okay friends, it's almost finished. So let's open and see how our cauliflower bites and mushroom bites looks. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. It's hot. Ooh, they're beautiful. Okay friends, okay, my second batch also is ready. So we are going to be, it's almost finished. So we are going to remove it from there. Exactly that. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Ooh, it's crispy, crunchy. Very nice. Okay friends, our cauliflower and mushroom bites are ready to eat. They look so delicious and also taste very good. All the smell of fragrance of garlic and basil and olive oil. It's really whole house is a lot of fragrance. It's smelling so good. Okay, go ahead and make this dish and share with your friends if you like it. And please don't forget to subscribe my channel. I know a lot of people are watching my channel, but they're not subscribing. Can you please subscribe? There's a subscribe button is right there. You just have to click the subscribe. So please subscribe, okay, and share with your family. Bye. See you in the next video.